Hello everyone, welcome you all. In this video, we are going to explain our major project. Our project topic is automation in bottle filling system. First we see the reasons. The reasons to use an automatic bottle filling system. The bottle filling system are the important tool for the packaging process in various industries such as pharmaceutical, agriculture, chemical, food, etc. The manual method of bottle filling cannot be applied in modern industries with a bulk filling requirement, as the process can consume more time and may cause spilling or the wastage of the products. Consistency in the filling of the bottle can also be the yet another issue arising out of the manual bottle filling process. Therefore, special techniques means the automatic bottle filling system are employed in industrial packaging processes. Automation is used for to control the system, and the technology in PLC is used to reduce the human work and increase the production. Automation in bottle filling system provide a lot of benefits like low power consumption, low operational cost, less maintenance, and many more. There are various tools used in the bottle filling system, as you can see in the block diagram. In this project, the filling of the bottle is controlled by the controller. It means a PLC, which is also called as the heart of the entire system.
My name is Namdev Uge. I discuss our project topic. Firstly, photoelectric sensor. It is used to sense the position of the bottles, and it is also detecting different plastic bottles. The range of the sensing device is 100 mm. And second is the solenoid rod. It is used to automatically control the flow of water that shall fill the water bottle when the water bottle placed over the conveyor belt, which is initially at the motion, and it is sensed by the photoelectric sensor. When the conveyor belt is running, at the same time solenoid rod is energized. When the time period is over, then solenoid valve is de-energized and water stop flowing through the valve, and then conveyor belt start moving again, and valve remains de-energized. The next part of our project is the conveyor belt. For conveyor belt system, the DC motor is used for better performance. The sensor which is placed in conveyor belt, which is used to sense the bottle placed under the tank. When the bottle is filled, corresponding tank is switched off, and the filling is done by conveyor belt, motor, PLC, solenoid valve, and etc.
My name is Dhananjay Srinivas Bemrekar. My friend already explained actual working of our project. Now I am explaining the ladder logic of our project. This is the list of inputs and outputs. There are 3 inputs and 2 outputs, and the memory bit is used to store the output value. This is the ladder diagram of our project. I am explaining the actual problem logic of our project. There are used start and stop push button. This push button is used to start and stop the process. When the start is pressed, conveyor starts moving until the proximity sensor is on. When the bottle in contact with the proximity sensor, the conveyor is stopped for a 10 seconds. This is a ladder diagram of our project. This rung is a latching rung in which we use start and stop push buttons to start and stop this process. When the start button is pushed, we get output at this memory bit. That's why this memory bit is closed. We get output at this memory bit %M0.1. Already these 2 memory bits turns on. That's why the conveyor motor is turns on. The output value of proximity sensor memory bit is normally closed with parallel with the timer done bit. When the bottle is contact with the proximity sensor, it becomes closed. That's why we get the value in the memory bit percent m0.2. That's why we get the value in this memory bit. The normally closed switch becomes normally open. That's why conveyor stops. To this, the output value of the proximity sensor stored in the memory bit percent m0.3. As we know, the conveyor motor is already stopped. At a time when the we get the value in the memory bit percent m0.3, it becomes closed. The solenoid valve will open. As we know, the timer done bit is series with this rung. This is the timer on delay, which is used when to give the timer delay. This timer delay is we get done bit after 10 seconds. When the 10 second timer done bit is, we get timer done bit. This timer done bit will becomes normally open. That's why solenoid valve will off. As we know, the timer done bit is, we get done bit is 1. That's why it becomes closed. Again, the conveyor motor is starts. This process will continue until we push the stop button.
Venkatesh Madhura Naikwade. The conclusion of automatic bottle filling plant. The main objective of this project was to develop a bottle filling system. The project presents an automatic bottle filling system by using PLC. The system has a simple structure and reliable operation. We successfully implemented the system. By doing this project, we acquired the knowledge and some initiates into the subject which we have shared in this report. The feature scope of this automatic bottle filling plant is, by installing the nozzle, jet nozzle and solenoid valve, we can reduce the time and increasing the production of bottles.